In this video, I'm going to show how to search projects in GitHub. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I will point out that I'm going to do the process on my Google Chrome, but it's the same process on any computer and any navigator. What I need to do is just come on Google and type GitHub. Then you will see the first option, GitHub official website, github.com. Click on top and it will come to this page right here. What I need to do is just find at the top right corner, search GitHub. And here you search for the project that you want to see. So for example, I will put username, okay, or test. So test, just for example, and here you will see all related things with this search. To search by project, you just need to come right here and click on the language that you want to see. So if you want to see a project on Java, you click on top if you want to see our projects. On Python, you click on top too. Here you can also search by code, by commits, issues, discussions, and so on. So if you want to search a project, search the name of the project right here, okay? And you will find your project. I hope I help you on how to search project in GitHub. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us footsteps.